Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle. Okay, so continuing on my collagen journey, collagen everything, all day, every day. I'm adding this stuff to my beauty routine, using it on my hands because, you know, we don't want dusty, crusty, musty hands. And they're looking nice and hydrated and plump this morning, I guess. So before I get into this wig, I just wanted to show you guys, my hair is growing. It is getting so much thicker. Look at that plump little plait, okay? There might be a natural hair video in the works sometime in the future. But anyway, let's get into this wig from WowAfrican. So they gave me a thank you card. Thank you so much. I love WowAfrican forever. So as you can see, I'm just wearing the wig cap on my head because you don't need to do anything extra with this wig when I tell you. She's pre-everything, which means she's been pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and these curls. All right, listen, this curl pattern has me in a chokehold. I love me some kinky curly. I know I love kinky curlies. And this particular wig is a pre-everything, so you see that the hairline's already cut. We got that silicone all around the perimeter. We got the ear tabs already cut out. We got 9x6 S cap. Look at that, 9x6 parting space. That is a ton of parting space. And the combs are removable. Boop, bloop. Look at that, Invisi knots. You can't see the knots, where are they? Okay, and the lace is HD, girl. I'm about to put this on so fast. But it's got this adjustable strap in the back. You don't need no glue. You won't need any adhesive. You put it on your head and you pull that adjustable string. You can take the combs out if you want. I have found though, I used to take the combs out of wig caps like this, but now I leave them in and it gives me a little bit more security. So when I tighten that adjustable band, I want you guys to see in the back, you can tuck it up and that thing is on. Somebody could come and yank. Now they would have to pull hard, but it's not moving. It's not going anywhere. These wigs were meant for me, okay? They have made me 1,000 times more lazy than I already am. When it comes to wigs, it's a beautiful thing, right? So this is the hairline. This is what it's giving. Like I said, it was HD lace, so it blends into your skin so perfectly. The hair is about 20 inches long, and you can see the curl pattern. I'm actually gonna fluff this hair out a lot before I use any water because I want you guys to see what it looks like. So like I said, it already came pre-plucked. I'm just plucking it just a little bit more for some customization. So this is the thickness of this wig. And I'm sitting here, I'm separating the curls, trying to get it real big and fluffy. And this is cute like this. You can actually get this wig in 250% Disney. Now, girl, where you going with that? Okay, I was looking on the website. I said 250% Disney, I need to see that. I think this one is 180% Disney, and I can't imagine anything thicker than this. So because it's a curly unit, I love curly units. I'm always gonna play in it a little bit because everybody likes big volume hair. But then I had to go get my tools out, girl, because we got to go to work. So I got my mousse and my water. I'm gonna go ahead and section this hair out. I'm using a little bit of mousse on my hairline. Absolutely no adhesives, no gels, no sprays or anything. I'm just trying to lay my baby hairs, okay? And yes, I am wearing baby hairs again. I am attempting, and it came out looking nice, so shush, okay? I wore an elastic band for about 15 minutes to have the hairline melt in, and then I'm just fluffing it up because I don't like hard baby hairs. I don't like hard anything when it comes to wearing wigs. I don't know. It just looks so overdone. I like it when it looks more natural. So I'm using some spray wax to try to create a part because I'm a side part girl because I got a big forehead, all right? Maybe one day I'll take a trip to Turkey and get that hairline lowering surgery. I won't. I don't know why I said that. Too much TikTok. So I have my fun playing around in the hair. Now it's time to get down to business. This is actually a scalp shampoo brush, but I was using it to detangle the hair and it worked so good. Look at how these curls clumped. I use some bobby pins at the crown to try to get a little bit more height because, you know, I need height and volume. I know this is a wig that's gonna give you height and volume. Always on the quest for more. So I'm just checking to make sure that I didn't miss any spots, because nothing's worse that when you're working with a curling unit and you're defining curls, you forget a clump, and then you got a clump of undefined curls, and then that dries and it looks frizzy and blah, blah, blah. So anyway, I'm gonna take my time diffusing my head, my whole head, and then I'll come back when it's like 85% dry. I'm trying to be really careful so I don't disturb the clump of these curls because you want them to dry, clumped up, and then separate them afterwards. And look at these hands. The skin is still plump and juicy. This hair is really shiny, really healthy. I didn't need any spray. Sometimes usually I go in afterwards with my glosser. I didn't do any of that. People in therapy are often there to deal with people. So as you can tell, the hair is about 90% dry. I still have some damp spots. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna carefully go in with my pick and I'm going to separate and lift and add a little bit more volume, because you gotta have volume when you swing them curls around. I do meditation, walks in the woods, a new destination. So after all that manipulation, I just wanted to show you how secure it was. I pulled it down just a little bit, but it is on. There is no glue or nothing. This is completely 100% attached to my head. It is on there tight. Not too tight though, because we don't want migraines, but we don't want our wig to slide back, and we don't want anybody pulling it off our heads. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, WowAfrican, for sending me a long curly wig with this type of cap. Y'all, I'm so happy. If you guys have any questions for me, put them in the comment section below. I'll make sure that I include all the details about this wig and what I'm wearing in the description box. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye!